Hey guys, this is a part 2 of this. I'm sorry. It stopped in the video. Alright. You'll pay for what you've done.
Why are you watching the monster?
You think they are an accident. I'm not scared of it.
Doesn't it kill you, girl? What you doing?
Ah! Glitch, Mariana! I glitch! Someone help me. That is not possible. I'm stuck in the air. The monster's looking at me. It is. And now it's this time to die. I'm still stuck. Help me. Go to the captain room. Help me. Guys, someone help. For real, someone help me. Mariana, look at me. I'm floating in the air. I need help. Someone save me. Alright, I'm back up. Oh no, the captain! He's ambitious. Mariana, come on. I don't like you, Mariana. You just left. I'm sorry, guys. Mariana is about to leave the game because she gotta text someone. We need to find the pilot button. You're me, Mariana. I believe you're standing there like you don't care. Click everything and find the button. Okay. Gotta press all the buttons. Alright. Hurry. Guys. Oh! The follower found the button. Wow, you smart. Mariana!
What?
You left!
I didn't mean to. It kicked me off.
Cause you were doing something. Mariana, she left the game. Sorry, guys. It has been a very crazy flight. I just wanted to be home already. Yeah, being home is way fun. Feel the blankets way warmer. Thank you. Bless you. Now, all we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. She's trying to beat me to it. Oh no, the monster! Ah! Oh shoot, oh shoot. It's right next to my partner. Oh no, it's back! Mwahaha! You humans are funny! Your destiny has already been written.
I'm good. Yeah.
Last chance, Alan. Bella. Crash this plane and we'll be together.
That just seems like right. And I still have to plan this. So. Well.
Yes! Good ending.
Everything's gonna be okay. Yeah, it will be. We got it all figured out.
back home now. Now, I am about to drop. Well, bye, you guys. That was the good ending. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.